जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं एक अलग संजय दत्त को जानता हूँ, known him as a family friend. He's always treated me as a younger brother. I've also been a fan, but मैंने वो साइड का संजय दत्त देखा, खलनायक, big action hero.
See it again, सामने से देखो, फिर से देखो, closely watch it. Again he saw it. Again he didn't react. So I said, Sanju, क्या हुआ? You didn't like it? So he said, I don't think this is very good news for me.
Well, if like every actor knew what he was doing and had a plan, everybody would be a superstar. So it is hard, I'm trying to learn from my own mistakes. I keep reminding myself like it's just a bend, it's not the end. Ma'am, there were a couple of things. Firstly, I've always been a Sanjay Dutt fan. So for me, it was a fan trying to play his icon on screen. So I think the hardest work that I had to do is give myself confidence that I can play this man. Because I remember when Raju sir told me about this film, I just didn't have confidence because I felt I wouldn't be able to do it. I don't have the courage, I don't have the understanding, and I don't have the acting chops to do it. So this is not an acting gig for me. Like, I don't think I've tried to show good acting or bad acting or showcase my talent. I think it was just the opportunity to be part of a story of somebody who I consider my icon, who I consider a very flawed person but a good person. And to tell a story and to be him was quite incredible.
संजू का एक फिल्म में एक सीन है जिसमें क्योंकि मुन्ना भाई ऑल्सो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज स्टोरी दैट वाज द टाइम दत्त साहब ने पहली बार संजू के साथ एक फिल्म की थी, तो उसका थोड़ा सा अंश फिल्म में है. तो उसमें एक सीन है जिसमें रणबीर इज प्लेइंग मुन्ना भाई. तो मैंने बड़े एक्साइटमेंट में संजू को, वो स्पेशल इफेक्ट होकर क्लिप आया था, वो संजू को दिखाया. तो मुझे लगा संजू रिएक्ट करेगा, कि जिसको मैं दिखाता था सब कहते अरे बड़ा अच्छा यार, देखो कैसा लग रहा है. तो संजू ने ऐसे देखा और कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं दिया. तो मैंने कहा संजू सी इट अगेन, सामने से देखो, फिर से देखो, क्लोजली वॉच इट. अगेन ही सॉ इट. अगेन ही डिडंट रिएक्ट. तो आई सेड संजू क्या हुआ? यू डिडंट लाइक इट? तो ही सेड आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज वेरी गुड न्यूज़ फॉर मी. Of course he said it jokingly, and so he's seen some parts of it, and I think he gets overwhelmed कि मेरे लाइफ में फिल्म बन रही है, उसी पे वो right now is in that zone.
बॉलीवुड से नाता होने के कारण आपको शायद ज़्यादा पता होगा संजय दत्त के बारे में, लेकिन ऐसे कई एस्पेक्ट्स होंगे जो आपको भी नहीं पता रहे होंगे. जब अभिजात और राजू ने वो स्क्रिप्ट आपको सुनाई, तो क्या आपका रिएक्शन था? कुछ ऐसी भी चीजें थी जिसने आपको शॉक किया संजय दत्त के बारे में जान के? उस बारे में बताइए.
पूरी स्क्रीन प्ले एक्चुअली, द होल स्क्रिप्ट शॉक्ड मी बिकॉज जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं एक अलग संजय दत्त को जानता हूँ, known him as a family friend. He's always treated me as a younger brother. I've also been a fan, but मैंने वो साइड का संजय दत्त देखा, खलनायक, big action hero, the kind of style icon he is, कैसे उसके बाल थे, यहाँ वो क्रॉस पहनता था, कैसे कपड़े पहनता था, मैं उससे वाकिफ था. But then when I read the screenplay, then you really understand कि उसकी life journey क्या थी. That was really shocking to me. So I think every scene, his whole drug phase, how he came out of it, how he fought that phase at such an early age, the passing of his mother 2 days before his premiere, 2 or 3 days before his premiere, his controversy with terrorism, his controversy with the gun, his relationship with his father, with his best friend, with the women in his life. Everything, everything was quite shocking to me. How can a man have so many lives in one life? I'm 35 today. By the time he was 18, I think he had lived 5 times what I could ever live in my life. So really, it was quite something. It was a screenplay sent from heaven, his life.
One by you and one by Vidhu sir. You said that you learnt from Raju what it means to entertain people, and Vidhuji said that you're an incredible actor with stupid choices in scripts. So is that going to change with this film, and what do you have to say?
Well, if like every actor knew what he was doing and had a plan, everybody would be a superstar. So it is hard, I'm trying to learn from my own mistakes. I keep reminding myself like it's just a bend, it's not the end. Zindagi बहुत लंबी है.
That's a good one. It's just a bend, not an end.
It's not an end.
How wonderful.
Zindagi मुश्किल है, requires a lot of hard work, and like his title of the film, Lage Raho, you have to keep working. What did I say? Yeah, what I learned from Raju sir is the power of entertainment. The power of not what's entertaining to you, but what's entertaining to people. And I think when a filmmaker makes a film for an audience and not for himself, that's such a learning, and it's such a selfless thing actually. I've been part of a lot of films, a lot of good films, more bad films, and I'm a part of all of it. It's not that I regret doing it, but just the understanding of what cinema is, what the reach is, the value for money. I think that's something that I've understood. I'm not saying that now I'll only be in successful films. You know, I'll make a lot of mistakes, but the understanding was very important to me.
koimoi.com